How to verify identity on Robinhood. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to verify identity on Robinhood. So in order to verify your identity on Robinhood, you typically use a mobile app to provide a government issued ID, a selfie with a 3-point selfie, and a confirmation via SMS. What you need is first thing first, open your Robinhood app. Now, due to some security concern, the interface might not appear. So I'm just going to quickly instruct. So as you are trying to sign in or log in, and if you've not verified your account, you will be taken to the field where it says verify your identity, right? So when you go to that page, you could find or you will be able to find the section where it says enter in your phone number. As you're done entering the phone number, then you have to type in your government issued ID, or you need to take a photo. You could either go ahead and upload a clear photo, or maybe take a photo, and afterwards you want to take a photo of yourself, sometimes involving a multi-angle shot to match your ID and prevent fraud as well. And moving on, you then need to approve the login or change via push notification to a trusted device. And that's how you're going to verify identity on Robinhood. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.